Hey everyone, today we'll be talking about an open source software bill of materials generator called CycloneDX Bower BOM. This can be integrated into any JavaScript project that makes use of Node.js and Bower. My name is Dylan and today I will be demonstrating this tool's functionality. I'll be using a Windows 10 environment with Node version 16.14.0, Bower 1.8.14, and CDX Bower BOM 0.3.0. The requirements for using this tool specify using Node version 8.0.0 or newer, and do not specify a version for Bower. To start the installation, we're going to go to nodejs.org, and you can choose whichever download you like from this page. Remember, version 8.0.0 or newer. I already have node.js installed, so I will not be installing this. Once you have that installed, open your IDE, and you can begin the npm installs. Now that Node is installed, we can begin installing the npm packages. First, let's begin by installing Bower. I'm going to be installing this globally with the -g flag. You do not have to do this, but it will make running everything simpler for this demo. Next, I'm going to install CDX Bower BOM, once again globally. Now that these packages are installed, you have everything you need. When you run CDX Bower BOM from the command line, this will throw an error. This is expected as you have no Bower modules for it to record. Now I'm going to demonstrate the command line flags that you can use with this module. First, you can do CDX Bower BOM -h to get a help menu. This help menu provides all the information about the flags that can be used. The -h flag generates the help prompt. The -a flag lets you merge in one or more existing CDX SBOMs with the newly generated SBOM. Currently, this feature has a bug, but we'll go over this later in the video. The next flag is the -o flag. This lets you redirect the output of the CDX Bower BOM from the standard output to a file. The -ns flag will disable the generation of a serial number with BOM. The -version flag will print the version number of the program. Now I'm going to show you how to fix the bugs with the -a flag. In order to fix the -a flag bug, we're going to navigate to the CDX Bower BOM module and fix 2 lines of code. It is located at this path and called this file. This will be in the description below. Once you have the CDX Bower BOM file opened, scroll down to line 47. A .trim on line 47 will remove any excess white space created when adding in additional files. And the critical fix of this bug right here is adding \n on line 63 right here. What this does is it allows the parsing error that currently exists to be fixed and additional BOMs to be read in correctly. We can see this in a later demo. Finally, we can demonstrate the CDX SBOM tool. First, we're going to begin by installing some Bower packages. I'm going to be using Bootstrap and UUID for this demo. Alright, now that I've installed my packages, I should be able to generate a CDX Bower BOM to console. And as you can see, it has been generated. It includes both Bootstrap and UUID. Now if I were to want to save this to a file, I would run CDX Bower BOM with the -o flag and call it bower.xml in this context. And you can see here is that generated BOM. One thing to note is the schema version right here is 1.1 for CycloneDX. This is behind the current version of CycloneDX Schema 1.4. So if you need a newer schema, the program will need to be updated. Now we can demonstrate the -A flag with some uninstalling and reinstalling of packages. I'm going to uninstall the packages that I installed earlier. Now if I were to generate a CDX Bower BOM, it would show an error as no modules are installed. Now I will install different modules. For this, I'll be using React and Angular. And once again, if we run CDX Bower BOM, we can see it generates a BOM with these new modules. To make use of the -A flag, we're going to take in the existing bower.xml we made in the first demo, as well as name this with the -O flag bower2.xml. And if we look here in bower2.xml, we can see Angular, Bootstrap, UUID, and React right there. All 4 modules were successfully concatenated. And right here you can see the serial number is generated at the top. If we were to want to do that again with no serial number, we could add the -NS flag, and you can see right there, serial number instantly is not generated when this file is replaced. Finally, if we're to check the version of CDX Bower BOM just to ensure what we're on, we can see that we're on version 0.3.0. This tool is overall very easy to install and use in both new and existing JavaScript projects that make use of Bower. Its use of command line flags allow the user to redirect SBOM output, disable serial number generation, and add in additional SBOMs to the newly generated SBOM. The user can make use of these features and easily modify the program output with only a few characters in the command line. Setting up the tool was relatively easy. However, it was not fully bug-free in its latest version and does require manual debugging to achieve full functionality. The help prompt provided by the -H flag contains nearly all of the information available about this tool. No documentation outside of this is currently available to my knowledge. Once functional, it was simple and easy to quickly generate SBOMs for Bower projects, as well as include any number of existing SBOMs content during generation. In summary, this tool performs its function well, with it being easy to install and being able to generate CDX SBOMs right out of the box. This is a lightweight tool that makes generating these SBOMs for Bower projects simple, making it a great fit for the software development lifecycle. Its main drawbacks are the existing bugs with its software, mainly the -A flag, the use of an outdated CDX schema, 1.1 is less than 1.4, and a lack of documentation and active development. In conclusion, I hope this tool is bug fixed and updated to work with the latest CDX schema in the future, but I would definitely recommend this to anyone who wishes to generate a managed dependencies list for their Bower projects as is.
Thank you for checking out this video. If you really liked it, be sure to check out our other videos right here, and then you can also subscribe right up top here. And again, thank you. Bye-bye.